Exploring Google's AI chatbot, Bard, a comprehensive overview and expansion, features, and regulatory landscape. Introduction. In recent technological advancements, artificial intelligence or AI has become a focal point with major tech companies racing to develop advanced chatbot systems. Google, in its pursuit of innovation, introduced Bard, an AI chatbot designed to compete with Microsoft's Chat GPT. This comprehensive overview will delve into the expansion of Bard into Europe and Brazil, explore its key features, and contextualize its development within the evolving regulatory landscape. But first, welcome to Tech Too Fast, where imaginations meets acceleration in the tech lane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, let's dive in! Bard's expansion into Europe and Brazil. Background of Bard's launch. Google rolled out Bard in February, unveiling a powerful addition to the AI chatbot scene. However, when it came to launching in the European Union, things hit pause. Why? Well, the EU has plans to lay down rules for AI, and Google wanted to be extra careful and responsible in navigating this regulatory landscape. This delay reflects Google's commitment to handling AI in a way that aligns with emerging regulations. They want to make sure that Bard, their AI chatbot, complies with any rules that the EU puts in place. It's a strategic move, showcasing Google's dedication to being a responsible player in the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. So, while the rest of the world gets to experience Bard, the EU is taking its time to set the stage for AI regulations. Expansion across countries. Guess what? Bard, Google's cool AI chatbot, is on the scene in about 50 more countries. This includes all the 27 EU nations and Brazil. Why is this a big deal? Well, Google is playing the global game, making Bard available to people around the world. It's like they're saying, "Hey, we're here, and Bard is ready to chat with you." This speedy expansion tells us something about Google's big dreams in the AI conversation world. They're not just keeping Bard in one corner. They want it to be a global superstar. With AI becoming a major player in conversations, Google is making its mark in many countries. So, if you're in the EU or chilling in Brazil, get ready to have a chat with Bard, Google's AI ambassador. Competition with Microsoft's Chat GPT. Google has just unveiled Bard, its snazzy AI chatbot, and it's making waves in response to Microsoft's Chat GPT moves. Microsoft has been adding Chat GPT-like skills to different things, even sneaking it in the Bing search engine. This friendly tech rivalry tells us one thing: AI-driven chat tools are a big deal in today's digital world. So, why is Bard stepping onto the stage? It's like Google's way of saying, "Hey, we've got our AI too." Bard is now chatting it up in around 50 more countries, including the whole EU gang and Brazil. This rapid global expansion is Google's way of telling people worldwide, get ready for some cool conversations with Bard. Before we move on to Bard's key features, have you already hit that subscribe button? Go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Bard's key features. Multilingual capabilities. Google's Bard is making waves as it expands its linguistic repertoire, now boasting proficiency in over 40 languages. This broad spectrum includes major languages like Arabic, Chinese, German, Hindi, and Spanish, transforming Bard into a truly multilingual conversational companion. The move signifies Google's commitment to inclusivity, enabling users worldwide to engage with Bard in their native languages. Bard's multilingual prowess opens up a world of possibilities for users seeking diverse linguistic interactions. From casual conversations to obtaining information, Bard's expanded language capabilities enhance its utility across various cultures and regions. This linguistic diversity not only aligns with Google's global reach, but also positions Bard as a versatile AI chatbot catering to the linguistic preferences of a diverse user base. Proactive engagement for responsible AI. Google is taking a proactive approach to the expansion of Bard by emphasizing its commitment to responsible AI practices. The company acknowledges the importance of engaging with experts, policymakers, and privacy regulators to address concerns surrounding data privacy, ethical use of AI, and potential risks associated with the widespread deployment of advanced conversational tools like Bard. This collaborative effort reflects Google's dedication to ensuring that the development and deployment of AI technologies align with ethical standards and prioritize user privacy. The engagement with experts and regulatory bodies serves as a crucial step in fostering transparency and accountability in the development and deployment of AI. By actively involving stakeholders in discussions about ethical considerations and privacy safeguards, Google aims to build trust and confidence in the responsible use of AI technologies. This approach aligns with the evolving landscape of AI governance, where industry leaders recognize the importance of ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks to navigate the complexities of AI-driven innovation responsibly. User-centric features. Bard introduces new features to enhance user experience, including the ability to receive audio responses in different styles: simple, long, short, professional, or casual. Users can also upload photos for Bard to analyze, showcasing Google's dedication to providing diverse and interactive functionalities. Regulatory context. European Parliament's draft AI law. The European Parliament recently endorsed a draft law that lays the foundation for the world's first comprehensive AI regulations. These regulations are crucial in shaping the future of AI development, particularly for generative AI systems like Chat GPT and Bard. The EU's focus on regulating AI reflects concerns about transparency, accountability, and the ethical use of AI technologies. Requirements for AI-generated content. The proposed regulations include specific provisions for AI-generated content, necessitating clear declarations when content is generated by AI systems. This requirement aims to inform users about the origin of the content and promotes transparency in the use of AI-generated information. Ban on specific AI applications. The draft AI law also outlines bans on certain AI applications, such as real-time facial recognition systems. This reflects a cautious approach to AI technologies that have the potential for misuse or unintended consequences. Conclusion. In conclusion, Google's expansion of Bard into Europe and Brazil marks a significant step in the ongoing AI revolution. The company's strategic approach aligns with the evolving regulatory frameworks, emphasizing the need for responsible AI development. As Bard competes with other AI chatbots, its diverse features and commitment to user privacy position it as a formidable player in the global conversational AI landscape. As the regulatory landscape continues to take shape, the tech industry must navigate the balance between innovation and ethical AI use. Google's Bard, with its expanded reach and user-centric features, exemplifies the evolution of AI-driven conversation tools in a world where responsible AI development is of paramount importance. Once again, this is Tech Too Fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.